Installing sofa covers. Sofa covers, crucial for both safeguarding your furniture and extending the life of your feather sofa, are easily interchangeable. Whether you're reinstalling freshly washed covers or updating your space with a new set, these steps ensure your sofa remains protected and stylish. Fitting the frame cover. First, identify the right cover. Start by selecting the frame cover. For sofas with arms, initiate the process there. Otherwise, begin at the sofa's back. Next, cover the frame. Gently drape the cover over the frame, making sure it aligns precisely with the corners. Adjust it to fit snugly. Double check that the cover aligns accurately with all parts of the frame, including arms and back, to prevent any unevenness or wrinkles. Then, secure the Velcro. For covers equipped with Velcro strips, affix these in the final step to achieve a clean look. Press firmly along their length to secure the cover in place and prevent shifting. Attaching the seat cushions. First, prepare the cushions. Begin by opening the cushion covers, readying them for the cushions. It's important to orient the cushions correctly before insertion. Next, cover the cushions. Carefully slide the cushion into its cover. This step might require some adjustment and maneuvering to fit the cushions perfectly within the cover without any corners being bunched up or misaligned. Next, zip it up. Once the cushion is fully inserted, zip up the cover securely. Then, smooth it out. After securing the cushion inside its cover, take a moment to smooth out any wrinkles or folds. This will help achieve a neat, professional-looking finish. Lastly, attach the Velcro. If your cushions come with Velcro strips, make use of them by attaching these strips to the corresponding parts on the sofa frame. This added step reinforces the cushions stay in place, preventing them from sliding or moving around with use. Finishing with the back cushions. First, stuff the cushions. Treat this step as if you're putting a pillow into a pillowcase. Insert the cushion into its cover. Next, give the cushion a gentle shake. This helps distribute the filling evenly, removing any lumps or uneven spots. Then, zip up the cover. Ensure it's securely fastened to keep the cushion's shape intact and the filling in place. Lastly, arrange the cushions. Place the covered back cushions onto the sofa and arrange each one in its designated spot. Check for proper alignment and even spacing between the cushions to contribute to a neat, uniform look, enhancing both the aesthetics and comfort of your sofa. Installing your feathers covers is a practical way to extend the lifespan of your furniture while keeping it looking fresh and stylish. With the right approach, you can achieve a snug and smooth fit.